educators, welcome to the Student Alliance community. My name is Shahrukh. So we're going to discuss the further exception of how we can take IXL using the IFPD panel. So now what you do is you click on IXL. Today we are going to do class 1. So as you click on math, you have one option where you can always learn with an example. So learning with an example is a good option, especially when the teacher themselves want to revise at that very much point. So for example, 3 plus 3 is 6, right? So adding doubles using this kind of small exercises will understand the score as to out of 100 how many number of questions students are answering and what is the quality of the video. Hope that is helpful. Thank you so much.